Hi guys, welcome back to the video. Today I'm going to show you some of my fish. So this is Mermaid. She is a mermaid of long tail. And she got her name Mermaid because she kind of looks like a blue mermaid. I don't know if I'm getting out on her, but before I was, see, she's right there. Okay, that's her. We gotta go over here. And then we'll go ahead and show you Shadow. And when you look at her, you're gonna be like, oh my god, you're showing me that fish. No, he's not that. He's just a little stressed. But he's a half moon beta. Stop moving, Shadow. Because of her, he's stressed. So I have to use this to divide their tanks. Oh, sorry, buddy. Glass. Just likes to sit in that little corner, basically. And then he'll go down. Oops. Where's he? Oh, he's right there. Look at him. He's pretty. Okay. Gotta grab this. I'll show you what I do with the tanks. So gotta go like that. See those two? Now we slide this between here. Take your hand. We slide it and we make sure the paper towel is nice and secure. And just like that. Then we have Pearl. Right there. Just Pearl. Here, I'll slide her tank over for you guys. Show you Pearl and the two snails. Okay, let's take off that was the light. Let's take off the lid. It's right there. I'll go get something quick so you guys can see the snails. Okay, so we're in the kitchen. We're just gonna get a bowl about this big. I'm just gonna fill it up with warm water. Okay, once you're done with that, I'm gonna bring it over. Yeah, I don't know if any of you guys have snails. It's the benefit of having nails. Sometimes. Okay. Okie dokie. So now, I'm just gonna go ahead. Snails down too far. I'm just gonna take her, plop her down. Now see that? She's deciding to come on out right now. See her two little antennas right there? She's kind of choosing whether to come out or not. It looks like she's kind of coming out. Cookie's in there. Or not Cookie. That's not Cookie. But yeah, this is basically a snail. Let's plop her down back in her tank. Oh, she got hit by the plant. Okay. I'll grab you the other snail now. Pick it up. Scoop. Scoop, 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 scoop. She might come out of her shell a little better than Cookie. Oh, yep, here she comes. See her little antenna right there? See her? Yep, she's just coming out right now. Right in there. And this girl, she's right there. This girl's in the bucket so you can see her a little better. Alright. This is a black snail. Her name is Snickers. We're going to drop her down. And the blue snail, that's Sally. And she's a blue snail. So, yeah. I'll show you some of my other fish here. Scooch her back. Okay, like I said, I showed you these two. Now, I should do this now. Now we're gonna come here, over here a little bit, and we're gonna show you this little girl. See that right there? See that thing swimming? Where is it? Right there. That's a baby beta. It's a female, and her name is Cookie. Yes, he's still doing that. Now, what we do is we go ahead with this warm water. Everything's warm. It will cool down. It will give it to the dogs. I'll show my dogs in a second once I'm done with showing you the fish. Okay, here we go. Now, we put the plate down. Okay. Now, we show you my guppy swimming along there. And now I gotta show you the fish, then the dogs. So here's another snail. That's my other snail. I gotta bop her down. Bopping snails down does not hurt them. It just puts them down. So they don't climb out of their tank. And that's why when you have fish without snails, it's totally fine to not have a lid. But when you do have snails, you have to make sure that you have a lid. This is my dog, Buddy. You guys seen him before. This is my other dog, Glacier. You've also seen her before. I'll show you Buddy one more time because you're doing really good. Thank you. Then we gotta go get 2 more fish. One more and 2 more. I have a couple more fish. Their water is murky, but they're in there. They're goldfish, so yeah. But anyways, that's pretty much all. Bye, subscribe.